So students, let us start exercise 3.1. Okay, exercise 3.1. So number 1 question is like this. Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were 10. Also 3 years from now I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Represent the situation algebraically and graphically. Okay, Aftab tells his daughter. Aftab is saying to his daughter. Okay, Aftab tells his daughter. What does he say? He says that 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were then. 7 years before, Aftab is saying to his daughter. Okay, Aftab is saying to his daughter that 7 years before I was 7 times as old as you. That means his daughter. And also 3 years from now I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Also 3 years from now, after 3 years, that means first condition is like this. 7 years ago Aftab was 7 times as old as his daughter. 7 years ago, that means before 7 years. And after 3 years Aftab will be 3 times. After 3, also 3 years from now I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. That means after 3 years Aftab's age will be 3 times of his daughter. Okay, so let the present age of Aftab be X years and the present age of Aftab's daughter be Y years. Okay. So first condition is 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were. 7 years ago, that means x minus 7 into Aftab's daughter y minus 7. So x minus 7 equal to 7 into y will become 7y minus 7 is 49. So x minus 7y minus 7 plus 49 equal to 0. So x minus 7y, 49 minus 7 will become 42 equal to 0. And second condition, two conditions are available. Okay, in every sum you will find that the pair of linear equations when you are solving in every sum 2 conditions are given. From these 2 conditions you will get 2 equations, okay, which we have to solve. Okay, but right now in the exercise only we have to form the equations and also we have to represent graphically. So second condition, I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Also 3 years from now I shall be 3 years from now I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. 3 years from now, x plus 3, 3 times as old as you will be. So x plus 3 is equal to 3y plus 9. X minus 3y, x minus 2y plus 3 minus 9 equal to 0. X minus 3y, 3 minus 9 minus 6. So students, let us try to understand this sum. Okay, let us try to understand this sum. So Aftab tells his daughter. Aftab is telling his daughter. Okay, what is Aftab saying to his daughter? Aftab is saying his daughter that 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were then. 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you were then. I shall be also 3 years from now I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. After we saying to his daughter, students listen carefully, after we saying to his daughter that 7 years before, present, if your present age is suppose 14 or 15, what will be your age before 7 years? Minus 7. Understood? So after we saying to his daughter that 7 years ago, that means before 7 years, my age was 7 times as old as yours. And 3 years from now, students, 3 years from now, that means after 3 years, that means present is after 3 years, my age will be, after 3 years, my age will be 3 times of your age. Okay, so let the present age of after be x years. Okay, let the present age of after be, see, after what is total, isn't it? Let the present age of after be, x years, and the present age of after's daughter be y years. Okay, so first condition, what is after saying? That before 7 years. So if the present age of the person is suppose 20 years, if the present age of the person is 20 years, what will be his age? 7 years minus 7, that is 13. So if the present age is x, if the present age is x, students, if the present age is x, what will be the age before 7 years? X minus 7. And the present age of his daughter is y. What will be his age? What will be her age before 7 years? Y minus 7. Understood? And after we saying to his daughter that before 7 years, my age was, that means before 7 years, what will be after this 7? My age was 7 times of your. That means 7 times of the daughter's age. So 7 into y minus 7. Isn't it? 7 into y minus 7. And second condition, after 3 years, what will be after age x plus 3? And what will be his daughter's age y plus 3? So after 3 years, after's age will be 3 times of his daughter's age. That means 3 into y plus 3. Understood? So 7 times before 7 years, after it was 7 times of his daughter's age. So therefore I multiply by 7. 7 into y plus 7. 7 into after age is equal to 7 into 7 times of daughter's age. 7 into y plus 7. And after 3 years, this was before 7 years. After 3 years, after age x plus 3 is equal to 3 times. That means 3 into daughter's age is y plus 3. After 3 years, isn't it? So now you multiply. See students, now you multiply 7 into y. 7 into y will become 7y minus 7 7 is 49. Isn't it? Now see here, this 7y is positive here. On this side, 7y is positive. If you bring it to the left hand side, it will become minus. Isn't it? Here is plus. If you bring it to the left side, it will become minus. And minus 7 is here. Minus 49. If you bring it to the left hand side, it will become plus. So 49 minus 7, students. 49 minus 7 will become 42. Understood? So this is one equation. And second condition, x plus 3 is equal to 3 into y plus 3. 3 into y will become 3y plus 3 into 3 will become 9. 3y will bring it to the left hand side, it will become minus 3y. Plus 3 is already there. Plus 9 will bring it to the left hand side, it will become minus 9. So 3 minus 9 will become minus 6. So these are the two situations or conditions. Okay, these are the two linear equations in two variables. So now here in the question said that represent the situation algebraically. This is the algebraic representation. Now for these two graphs we will prepare at home. We will prepare the graphs for this equation and this equation on the same piece of paper. On the same piece of paper we will prepare the graphs for this and this, and you will show me once we meet. Okay. So students, next let us see number 2 also. So the coach of a cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3,900. Okay, the coach of the cricket team, students, the coach of a cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3,900. Later she buys another bat and 3 more balls for rupees 1,300. Represent the situation algebraically and geometrically. Algebraically means the equation that we will form, and geometrically means simply in the graph. Okay, so number 2, the coach of a cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls. Let the cost of one bat be rupees x and the cost of buys 3 bats and 6 balls. If the cost of 1 bat is X, if the cost of 1 bat is X, what will be the cost of 3 bats? The coach of the cricket team buys 3 bats, no? So 3 bats means 3X. And how many balls? 6 balls. So 6Y. 1 ball is rupees Y. So 6 balls will be 6Y. And what is the total bill? 3,900. Understood? Now what we can do is that we can divide both sides by 3. You see all the numbers 3, 6, 3,900 all are divisible by 3. So divide by 3 on both sides. Easily X plus 2Y is equal to 100. This is one equation. Okay. So second condition. Later she buys another bat and 3 more balls. Another bat so X. Another bat so X. Okay. Another bat so X and 3 more balls means 3Y is equal to 1,300. You can just bring the 300 to the left hand side also. X plus 2Y minus 300 is equal to 0. Like this way we keep minus 300. This is also you can keep. Okay. So let us see this, students. So the coach of a cricket team buys. This is the algebraic representation. Only you have to form the equation. Only to solve here. Okay. So the coach of a cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3,900. Let the cost of 1 bat be rupees X. Let the cost of 1 bat be rupees X, students. Okay. Let the cost of 1 bat be rupees X. The cost of 1 ball be rupees Y. Okay. Now first condition. At first she bought 3 bats and 6 balls. So if the cost of 1 bat is X, if the cost of 1 bat is X, what will be the cost of 3 bats? 3X. If the cost of 1 ball is Y, then what will be the cost of 6 balls? 6Y. So 3X. Total cost of the bats and total cost of the balls we have added. The total bill is almost 3,900. I saw that both sides, all the numbers 3, 6 and 3,900 all are divisible by 3. So I divided by 3. This 3 and 6 cancel. So X will stay. This 6 will cancel with 3 2 times and this 3,900 will cancel with 3 1,300 times. So 1,300 will be to the left hand side. This will be one equation. And second condition, students. Later she bought another bat and 3 more balls. Another bat means 1 bat, 1 more bat. So write X. And 3 more balls. So write 3Y. What will be the bill? 1,300. 1,300 will be to the left hand side. It will become minus 1,300. You can keep it this way also. No problem. Okay. So this is the algebraic representation graph. For this also we will make and show. Okay. For this also graphs we will make and show. Okay. So students, this much only for today. Okay. We will continue with our online classes and some graphs I will also discuss with you all. I will draw an episode graph paper and I will give the video for those also. Okay. So like take care of yourself, study nicely and note down each and everything in your classwork copy. Okay. Study very nicely. Make the most of the time that you are getting at home. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day. So students, just here it is said that represent the situation algebraically and geometrically. This is the algebraic representation. Okay. This is the algebraic representation and geometric representation is just like the last one. You have to draw the graph for this also. Okay. Just that much.